The key to every manager's success is effective corporate management. Let's explore the method of deviation management, where the manager focuses only on situations that deviate from the plan. 2 days before the task's deadline, the employee gets a reminder to set the forecast date. If they realize they won't meet the deadline, they enter a new completion date in this field and continue working. Every Monday, the manager receives an automated report from PlanFix by email. It contains a summary of the tasks that have missed their deadlines. The emojis highlight the delay, yellow for up to 4 days, red for more than 4 days, making the report visually clearer. This automation helps react more quickly to deviations from deadlines for tasks and adjust processes in time. Let's now set up this automation. Go to the object card for tasks where deadlines need to be tracked. Add a field for the forecast date of the deadline. Select the date type in the settings and enter the name. We also add a reminder to fill in this field 2 days before the deadline. Now we add a field that indicates the state of the task. This is a list type field with 2 values, red emoji for delays of more than 4 days and yellow for delays of less than 4 days. You can copy these emojis and add them as plain text from the internet. This field is only for the manager, so we hide it for the employees. Finally, we add the deviation field, which automatically calculates the difference between the forecast date and the actual task completion date. Set the result type to number and add a formula for the calculation. Detailed instructions on how to use the DataDiff function and other functions can be found in the help section. Link will be in the description. We also hide this field for employees. Now let's set up the automation. We will create a script that tracks deviations from the task deadline between 1 and 3 days. In the first settings block, you specify that the script should be triggered when the deviation field changes. In the second block, you specify the value to which the script should react. In the fourth block, you specify that the script to add a yellow emoji in the task state field. Save the script. Now create another script for deviations of 4 days or more. Change the name and conditions in the copied script. Replace the yellow emoji with the red one in the fourth block. The automation is complete. Now let's move on to the report. Create a new report. Set the name and select the object you want to work with. Go to the Report View tab and configure a column for the task state field. Add a column for the task names. Add a third column for the task status. Next, add columns for the due date, for the deviation field, and finally for the assignee of the task. In the selection parameters, you specify that you need only active tasks for the standard object. To make the report clear and well organized, set the grouping and sorting. For example, save and run the report. Let's now set up automatic report generation and email delivery to the manager. Set the repetition period. Select the report generation period and the recipient. Finally, set the permissions and determine who can use the report. Now everything is set up. Use PlanFix to its full potential to track task deadline deviations and work more efficiently.